Has your rent ever been late? Have you ever waited for a rent payment and waited, only for it to not show up at all? Well, you're not alone. Hey, I'm Logan, co-founder of Landlord Studio. Today we're looking at how to handle late rent payments and how to prevent it. In 2024 alone, landlords in the US filed over 1 million eviction cases. That's nearly 8 out of every 100 renting households. And the main reason? Late rent. By the end of 2024, the median amount of unpaid rent was about $3,200. Just a few years earlier, it was only $2,000. So knowing how to prevent late rent and what to do when it happens is critical if you want to keep your rental business profitable. Let's start with the why rent might be late. Not every payment means tenants are irresponsible. Sometimes life just happens. A paycheck is delayed, bank error occurs, a family emergency or medical bill throws things off. Flexibility in these situations can help build trust, but there's a difference between a one-time issue and a pattern of negligence. Encourage open communication. If the tenant has a valid reason, you must document it. Ask for proof when appropriate. Don't just take their word. What you want to avoid is silence and tenants not paying or answering your calls. Offer a short extension or a structured payment plan. That can keep communication open without undermining your lease. Now, when is rent officially considered late? Well, it depends on your lease, state laws, and how tenants pay. Grace periods here are very key because in some states they require it anywhere 2 to 30 days, and others leave it up to the landlord. For example, in Massachusetts, you can't charge late fees until rent is 30 days overdue, for instance. Maine, 15 days. Fees are capped at 4% of the month's rent. In Nevada, there's no mandatory grace periods, but you can't charge fees until 3 days after the due date. If your state doesn't mandate a grace period, then you can still add one to your lease. If not, rent is late the day after it's due. Also, you need to define what counts as payments received. Is it when the tenant hits send, or is it when the payments actually arrive in your bank account? And this matters because, mailed checks can take up to 3 to 5 working days. You need to put all this stuff in writing. Partial payments are another tricky one here as well. In some states, accepting them can block or delay your right to evict unless you use a non-waiver agreement. For example, in Arizona, you need a written agreement when you accept a partial payment. Virginia, you can accept it and still move forward with an eviction. Nevada, courts, sometimes they rule that taking a partial rent payment without clear terms weakens your case. So the bottom line, if you accept partial payments, always use clear written terms. Or better, block them in your rent collection software unless you've set up a payment plan. Alright, so what to do when your rent really is late? Step 1, start light. Send a friendly reminder by text, email, or through your property management system. Often that's enough. Just remember to keep a record of every message. Step 2, apply late fees if your lease and state allow it. These encourage on-time rent payments, they reduce the hassle of chasing it, and just make sure they're legal and clearly stated in the lease. Step 3, send a formal notice. It should state how much is owed, when it was due, what happens if it isn't paid. Many states require specific wording, so check the rules where you live. And if rent still doesn't come in, you may need to contact the guarantor, use the security deposit, or begin eviction. And in some cases, you can also pursue a court judgment to recover any unpaid rent. Of course, the best solution is prevention. Start with strong tenant screening, credit checks, income, employment. Look at rental history for evictions or late payments. And be flexible with due dates when you can. For example, aligning rent with tenants' paydays can prevent end-of-month cash shortages for them. And finally, use rent collection software that makes payments just much easier for the tenants and tracking for you. Landlord Studio, you can automate reminders, set late fees, block partial payments, track rent payments. Tenants can even set up automatic payments so that they never miss a due date. So it's all built into one. You can get started for free today. Just click the link in the description below or go to landlordstudio.com. And again, if you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more landlord tips and tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.